Go to sleep, my little one. Close your eyes. I'll sing you a sweet lullaby. Sweet dreams. When you wake up, I'll be by your side. Hey, oh, hey, oh, hey.
We stayed in with a friend of ours. She, not a friend of ours, but the friend of the dad's, which kicked us out. And that's where we end up finding out that the church we've been going to, they told me about the Women and Children's Home, and I went there. That's where everything started from, was from, the home and to where I am now.
Hey, oh, hey, oh, hey, oh. Go to sleep, my little one.
Our ultimate goal at Cornerstone is to, first of all, support adults that are trying to get on their feet. But the secondary goal is for the children. So often, the children who are homeless are the faceless homeless.
Oh, my kids were my everything. That's my world. And I couldn't, it was too, for me, trust issues were too hard. I had to get to know the person first. My kids were daycared. Wherever I went, they came with me. I couldn't let them go.
Hey, oh, hey, oh, hey, 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 oh, hey.
It is hard being a single parent with 2 kids. I didn't even bother to stop and think about that because I was too busy knowing that I can do it. I can do it. As I always told myself, I know there's a different way, and I feel like I found it.
I'll sing you a sweet lullaby.
One of the main reasons that Tiffany has been successful is that she didn't give up. She has come to us when she needs that encouragement. She keeps trying, and she knows when to ask for the support and help, and she knows when she's ready to do something for herself.
Hey, oh, hey, hey, oh, hey, oh, hey, 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 oh, hey.
I'm actually about to succeed in, if I put myself in GD classes, I have these 2 jobs, that money's good, and because with that daycare, knowing that, that my kids are safe and with good people, and I trust him, and feels comfort within my heart that I was like, oh, I can do it, I can do it.
The most amazing thing about Dear Ones is when I go over there and I see the children and I see them having such fun and learning, and I see how much more confident they are and how comfortable they are in the home environment at Cornerstone Apartments, we can say the children are well.
Go to sleep, my little one. Close your eyes. I'll sing you a sweet lullaby. Sweet